I'm on page 86 of your Osborne book, Advanced Formatting, Stage 2. We'll continue creating the basic template for entry of the client time recording information sheet. You want to continue with T3 exercise 1. In A7, we want to type date. In B7, client. In C7, hours. Column A, from row 8 onwards, is where we're going to enter our dates. So we want to format the column to display dates in the form of DDMMYY. So I'm just going to highlight 8 to about 30, right click, format cells. I'm going to choose date and I'm going to format it with the short date, making sure it's in English United Kingdom. For the hours column, we'll restrict the entry to only allow whole or half numbers, and we want to apply a data validation to cell 8. So I'm going to do it from here. Now, if we're doing it to a specific range, so let's say we're doing it to 30, if you highlight it and do the data validation, it just saves you having to replicate. But if you do one, then you'll have to replicate down to where you want it to be. So to do a data validation, we're going to go to data and we're going to select data validation. I'm going to go into settings, and as I'm going to create a list, I'm going to choose list. My list is going to be from 0, 5 all the way to 4 using whole and half numbers. So my first one will be 0.5, comma, space 1.0, comma, space 1.5, comma, space 2.0, comma, space 2.5, comma, space 3.0, comma, space 3.5, comma, space, and then 4. And there I have it. My list is now done. So I'm just going to click OK. And if I click on the drop down, you'll see it's taken form. Because I highlighted it all beforehand, you'll see that they've all taken form. We want to merge A1, B1 and C1. So I want A1 merged all the way to C1. So I've got to highlight all those cells. To merge and center, I click on merge and center on my home ribbon. Now that I've done that, I'm going to save my work, keeping the same name as T3 exercise 1. So you could either click on the disk or you could go to File, Save. And there we have it. Stage 2 is now complete.